Hello and welcome to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Sarah and I'd like to say Dia Gwich agus Fáilte. In Irish, Dia Gwich means hello and Fáilte means welcome. So hello and welcome. This week we'll be learning about words we use in school. Are you ready? Teacher, Múinteoir, Múinteoir. Student, Dalta, Dalta. Class, wrong, wrong. School, skull, skull. Book, lower, lower. Test, screw-do, screw-do. Pen, peann, peann. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Paper, paper, paper. That's all today. Remember to check out more of our Play and Learn videos for more Irish language, crafts and stories. Now I'm going to say Slán agus gur maith. Slán in Irish means goodbye and gur maith means thank you. So goodbye and thank you.